Hello everyone! Welcome to Jojo Bragais Studio, and this is Grand Assembly 2026 of Dimala Stylist Philippines, King and Queens. My name is DJ Alvin from EuroTV Philippines Entertainment. Live na napapunood every Wednesday po sa afternoon drive 2:30 until 4 p.m. po yan mga kasikat. And live din po kami napapanood via social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook page and TikTok, Pinoy XM channel, and Signal 106, Sky Cable 217. Once again, my name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Raketero ng Masa. And for today's video, kasama natin ngayon isa sa mga beauty queens ng Dimala Stylist Philippines from Davao. And please kindly introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Halina Marie D. Villones from Davao City. I am your little Miss Global Philippines Tourism 2025.
Yes, Miss Halina. Kamusta ka naman? Ngayon lang ulit tayo nagkita at ngayon lang ulit tayo nagkausap. Last time na-interview kita sa SM North. Tama? And second interview natin, hindi tayo nagpanagpuan last event ng Dimala Stylist Philippines. And for today's, ayan, nakapanayan kita ulit. It's an honor once again na makasama ka from Davao. Talagang pumunta ka dito talaga sa Manila para umattend ng Grand Assembly 2026 ng Dimala Stylist Philippines King and Queens. So, anong araw po umalis sa Davao?
Mga 19.
19. And then, kailan balik sa Davao?
Tomorrow po.
Agad. Tapos hindi naman kayo nag-message sa akin kung saan kayo naroon. Kumain muna tayo sa labas, di ba? Anyway, so ready ka na ba sa ating conversation ngayong araw?
Opo.
So bago tayo mag-start ng ating conversation, baka may gusto ka munang batiin o i-shoutout sa ating mga viewers right now.
Yes, I would like to shout out to my family, my coaches, and especially towards my school, my teachers, my friends, my classmates, and almost everyone. And big shout out to Ayan Mendehar for my Bragais shoes, and big shout out to my modeling academy, which is Mindanao Fashion Star.
Miss Halina, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Well, I am a model po, and I am very interested in modeling. And aside from modeling, I'm also interested in music and arts po.
Wow. Miss Halina, if I don't mind, how old are you na po?
I am 11 years old po.
11 years old. Talaga naman, no? Hiyang-hiya na talaga ako sa height ko. Mukha akong 11 years old pa. Hindi naman siguro. Anyway, Miss Halina, siguro naman aware ka na sa mga pinag-uusapan natin kanina at may mga idea ka na kung ano yung mga topic natin for today's video. So, alam mo na yung mga questions and aware ka naman sa mga government issues, lalo sa Pilipinas natin, talamak ang mga corruptions, illegal gambling, etc., flood control, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so anyway, may mga tanong akong inihanda para sa'yo, Miss Halina. So, my first question is, what do you think is the biggest problem facing young people today, Miss Halina?
Well, for me, it is not just towards young people, but the biggest problem here is, of course, our environment is slowly changing time by time because we are not helping. So how can we make the world a better place if we don't participate in local communities to make the world a better place?
Yes, diba? Ang hirap ng ganung bagay na paano nga ba natin masusolusyonan to mga kasikat, diba? Ikaw ba, Miss Halina, may nagtuturo ba sa'yo na mag-train for Q&A?
Yes po, which is my coach po, si Zel Enahin. Shout out to her po.
Yes. Ikaw ba may planong lumaban international?
Yes po, and the event is on November something, and it is located in Thailand. Bangkok.
Oh, this year.
Yes,
Wow,
international.
good luck and congrats in advance sa Miss Halina.
Thank you po.
Sana maway mo yung crown. Isa ka sa mga napabilang doon sa mga taga Cebu kanina, which is lalaban din sila international, di ba? At syempre, pagbalik mo ng Pilipinas, pasalubong mo, kung makakalimutan. Alright, so next question. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be, Halina?
Well, I have a similar answer like earlier, but I want to change the world through kindness, peace, and working together to make the world a better place for all of us, for a safe community, and a happier environment.
Oh, What a nice answer po mga kasikat. Talagang ready na rin si Halina sa international, And talagang good luck din sa kanyang mga coaches na nagtitrain sa kanya for the Q&A. So my next question, Miss Halina, alam ko naman marami sa atin na magaganda, mga pogi, may ilan din mga pangit, pero hindi naman sagabal yun sa buhay natin bilang isang ugly. But, para sa'yo, Halina, how do you define beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society?
Well, for me po, is beauty and brain is the most important part in our lives because without knowledge and intelligence, we cannot. For me, I couldn't be here because how can we have knowledge or intelligence if we can't even do things like this? So for me, I think intelligence is important rin sa atin at yung beauty rin. Pero for me, intelligence is more important.
Yes. Kasi napaka-importante din yung talino natin, lalo-lalo na kapag sasali tayo sa mga beauty pageant. Siyempre, hindi natin maiwasan sa mga ganyang pageant talaga may mga Q&A. So, kailangan pag sumali ka, dapat handang-handa kami sa Halina, di ba? Pero kung sasali ka lang din naman, tapos mag-create ka lang din ng mga issues or any complaint na through social media accounts, kung alam mong pangit ka, huwag ka nang sumali. Yun lang yun, di ba? Okay, my last questions for you, Ms. Halina. In your opinion, what is the most pressing environmental issue today and how can it be addressed?
For me po, it's the corruption po because the politicians are using us for money.
Yes.
And for me, I think the better way to help our environment is stop corruption because it is important for us and we cannot let people suffer from that issue. And so that is the way I think that corruption is the problem here.
Kaya naman, kayo mga nakaupo dyan, stop corruption na talaga kasi marami na naghihirap ng mga Pilipino dito sa ating bansang Pilipinas. But anyway, thank you so much, Miss Halina, sa araw na ito at nakapanayam kita. And of course, baka may mga gusto ka munang pasalamatan bago tayo magtapos.
Oo po, my mom and especially to the Manila Stylist owner po, which is Ma'am Annabelle Balala po, and thank you for the opportunity so I could be here po. Thank you so much po.
Alright, do you have any social media platforms to promote, Miss Halina?
Yes po, but I am not really that socially active, but you can still follow me because that would be such a great help for my account, which is my Facebook account is Halina Maribillions.
So, do you have any upcoming events or fashion show this year, 2026? Go ahead.
Yes po, my upcoming event is on May, which is the Little Miss Mindanao Fashion Star and Teens Mindanao Fashion Star po. And aside from that, the international pageantry po, which is of course on November, and it's located on Thailand, Bangkok. Yes po.
Thank you so much, Miss Halina, from the Manila Stylist Philippines, which is Ma'am Annabelle Balala. Do you have a message for her?
Thank you so much for this opportunity because without you po, hindi po ako makapunta since you've given me the chance to participate in this event and I'm so thankful.
Thank you so much once again, Miss Halina, and good luck to your next journey. And maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you so much.
God bless you and have a nice day. Thank you so much.